In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your ChatGPT not opening or not responding or crashing on your computer. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are unable to use your ChatGPT because of one or two errors, maybe it is crashing or it can't respond, then let me show you how you can fix it. There are quite a number of steps you can take. In the first method, you need to go ahead and clear the browser history and then come back and use this. To clear your browser history, just go over to your browser. Here for my case, I'm on Google Chrome. I'll go to history and then choose history here. And here you can see I have a lot of browser history on ChatGPT. Clear this history, just go ahead and delete browser history. And here you have to choose the length of time you want to clear the history. For instance, you can clear for the last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or even all time. Choose your preferred time. You can choose all time, and once you are done, go ahead and click on delete data. Once you do this, you'll now require to go ahead and log in afresh to your ChatGPT and then try generating charts and see if it is responding normally. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then head to the second method, and this might be because the thread you are on, or you are on a thread that has a lot of requests, and this might be causing non-responsiveness on your ChatGPT. As you can see here, if you generated so many charts on one thread, this might cause lag or non-response on your ChatGPT. So go ahead and delete that thread, or just go ahead and open a new chat and then generate your response. However, if this does not solve your problem, then you may need to go ahead and go to settings by clicking on your account name down here and then choose settings. And under settings, go to personalization, and here we want to free up the memory of ChatGPT. Go to manage here under memory, and you'll see all saved items or saved instructions on your ChatGPT account. Head over to these three dots and then click on delete all memories, and here confirm whether you want to delete all past versions of saved memories by checking on this box. Once you're done, now click on delete all, and this should go ahead and delete everything that was saved on ChatGPT memory. If you have so many of the charts here, instead of deleting one by one, you can still go to your account down here and choose settings, and under this just choose data control, and under this you'll see we have delete all charts, and by deleting all charts you'll be able to free data on your ChatGPT app. So by following any of these methods, now your ChatGPT account or program should be up and running without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.